If you're an entrepreneur or coach or business owner or content creator, have you ever experienced shiny object syndrome or SOS? As you may know, shiny object syndrome is the temptation to pursue new opportunities, and it is a frustrating distraction. Whether you have or have not gone through this, I got some important lessons and experiences to share with you to help you avoid the issues of pain, loss of money, or life balance, and more. This video is for you so you can take my clients' lessons as well as my lessons that I've learned as well. So learn the playbook on how to look out for shiny object syndrome in your life or business, or how to overcome it, when to use it, and how to use it to your advantage to win in life and business. Now, you will not just get value facts from me, but you will also get real examples and my stories that will help you. Before I became a business coach and strategic advisor to other entrepreneurs, business owners, coaches, other content creators, etc., I got in the business owner game first to practice what I preach and learn and grow and run my own business success, including my digital marketing agency. I experienced shiny object syndrome in my own business and worked with clients who also got shiny object syndrome. But through these experiences, I've noticed common challenges. A lot of entrepreneurs, business owners, coaches, and content creators, they think they're in a particular business. However, in reality, they're in a completely different business. So they work solving only one portion of the challenge. However, they hop around like little bunnies from business to business or many opportunities instead of taking ownership of the main issue, which is the real business that they're in. So, for example, when I used to do high end offer sales, I used to think the business was about the product or service or training for the client or the customer. However, I learned that it was really about either status or transformation or financial confidence for the client or the customer. From the lessons learned and the solutions, here are the top shiny object syndrome issues, the impact, and my solutions that can help you in your business. Remember, these common issues and principles are the same for entrepreneurs, business owners, and coaches and content creators, but the execution may differ slightly based on the complexity of the online business versus a coaching business, for example. Next, let's get into it. Number one, constantly switching to different niches or business models. The impact. The lack of consistency confuses your clients or customers and delays brand establishment. Now, you might have heard the phrase, the riches are in the niches. However, if you don't do it right, it will become the dry revenue ditches are in the niches. So the struggle will become real, and you don't want that now, do you? Comment down below, or if you're listening through audio, say out loud, I won't let that happen. Quick client side story example. Jared was a life coach who started out helping busy dads find balance. But after a few months, he shifted to career coaching because he saw another coach doing well in that space. Then, when a friend suggested wellness coaching, he pivoted again. A year later, Jared realized he had no steady clients because his audience didn't understand what he stood for. One day, during his first coaching session, he was asked, what problem are you most passionate about solving? Jared thought about his happiest clients and the transformation ones that he had helped these dads achieve. That day, he decided to stick with coaching busy dads and promised himself to focus solely on building his expertise in that niche. 6 months later, his business revenue and his impact increased because his audience finally knew exactly how he could help. Solution. I recommend you or your core team members conduct market research to validate a niche or a model before committing, and then stick to it for at least a year to build momentum. Remember, the problem you are most passionate about solving as well. Number two, chasing the latest marketing trends. The impact I'm confident we are all guilty of this at least once or more in our business. The business impact on time and resources are wasted on trends that may not serve your target market. My solution, I recommend you or your core team members prioritize scalable strategies like email marketing or SEO over fleeting or fad trends. Test new trends on a small scale before full implementation. Number three, overloading with courses, training, and online challenges and more. The impact? This delays action and results as too much time is spent on learning rather than executing. Solution, I recommend focusing on just in time learning and schedule it so it does not block you from doing your daily income producing activities. Whether you are a one person business or have a team or an organization. So take courses only when the knowledge is directly relevant to a current business goal. Number four, investing in too many tools and platforms. Impact. You are overspending on tools with overlapping functions and underutilized features. Quick success story Sabrina, a business owner, loved tech tools. She had 5 different platforms for managing her emails, scheduling social media posts, creating graphics, traffic leads, and managing tasks. The problem, she barely used half of them. One day, after seeing another $400 hit her credit card, ouch, Sabrina decided to audit her subscriptions. She realized she could manage most of her tasks with just 3 tools instead. So, by consolidating, she saved over $4,800 a year and gained more time to focus on her clients. Her lesson learned from the coaching is sometimes less is more. And I recommend you use free trials or 1 month payments to test tools and platforms first before committing to it long term. Choose tools that integrate well with existing systems that you have in your business to streamline workflows for you or your team. Number five, launching too many products or services. Impact, you are spreading resources too thin, leading to underperforming offers. Solution, I recommend that you perfect one flagship product or service and scale it before adding additional offerings. Number six, comparing to other entrepreneurs, business owners, or coaches. Impact. You waste energy on unhealthy competition, and this can lead to misaligned decisions in your business. Solution. It is important to do a balanced and scheduled time for research of your competition for insights, etc. However, to avoid the downward spiral of comparing your business or yourself to others, I recommend you focus on KPI metrics that matter, like profit margins or client or customer satisfaction, and set personal growth benchmarks instead of comparing externally. Number seven, lack of clear content strategy. Impact. You have inconsistent messaging and missed opportunities to engage your ideal target audience. Solution, I recommend you develop a content calendar aligned with client or customer journey, including blog posts, emails, and social media content that supports your sales goals. Make sure you're posting your social media content where your ideal target audience spends their time. Number eight, pursuing multiple revenue streams too early. Impact, you dilute focus, causing all the streams to underperform. Solution, I recommend you establish and optimize one primary revenue stream before diversifying. Diversify only after your primary income stream is automated or is consistently profitable and scaling. Number nine, attending too many networking events. Impact, you are networking for the sake of networking without building meaningful partnerships. You feel hyped during and after the event, but no real connections or meaningful relationships or contacts were made. Now, quick success story. Mike, a business owner, spent every week at networking events. He handed out business cards and joined panels and connected with hundreds of people. But when he looked at his revenue, nothing was changing. So frustrated, Mike decided to approach networking strategically. He targeted events where his ideal clients would be and set a clear goal, which was to meet 5 potential leads and follow up with them personally. By focusing his efforts, he landed 2 major contracts in just a month. He realized it's not about attending every event, it's about attending the right ones. Solution: I recommend you attend events with clear objectives. For example, implement the most important things learned for your business and find collaborations, leads, and potential clients. Focus on online networking platforms like LinkedIn if in person events are inefficient, or if your ideal customer client is on another social media platform that has groups, for example, you could focus on that instead as well. Number 10, overcommitting to partnerships. The impact. Your partnerships that don't align with your brand or your business or audience can harm your reputation and reduce trust. Solution: I recommend you evaluate your partnerships or affiliate JVs, etc., and business goals and or client customer needs. Decline opportunities that don't directly add value to your core offerings. Number 11, obsessing over vanity metrics. Impact. You focus on subscriber or follower counts or website traffic or social media post likes instead of actionable outcome. Quick success story. Jen, an entrepreneur, was obsessed with her Instagram followers. She'd hit 15,000 followers, but it wasn't making sales. So, meanwhile, her competition had only 2,000 followers, but was fully booked. So, Jen reached out for advice and learned a hard truth: engagement matters more than numbers. Jen started focusing on connecting with her existing audience by replying to DMs, creating meaningful posts, and offering value. Within 3 months, she booked 6 new clients, proving that 10 engaged followers are more valuable than 15,000 passive ones. Another side note: some of my social media accounts don't always get many comments, but I do get my ideal private coaching clients who've been watching me for a while, and then over time they decide they want to work with me. So don't let the social media content metrics in your business fool you. They are important to an extent, but don't let that be end all everything. Solution: I recommend you measure success with KPI metrics like client or customer acquisition or CAC or lifetime value LTV, number of DMs, number of potential clients from the DMs, or for paid ads, it could be your click through rate or cost per click or ROI and return on ad spend, revenue growth, retention, and client or customer satisfaction. Number 12, ignoring a proven business strategy. Impact: you're jumping to new ideas disrupts your business momentum and scalability. Solution: I recommend that you stick with strategies that have a proven track record for at least 90 days. A B test improvements alongside existing systems instead of overhauling all of them. Now, those were just the most common issues or challenges that a lot of entrepreneurs, business owners, and coaches have. There are other ones where you might be focusing on fixing or scaling the wrong thing in the wrong phase of your business. For example, you're shifting your shiny object syndrome on more new marketing and sales strategies, but in reality, you really have a talent management issue. So, as business owners or entrepreneurs or coaches or content creators, etc., you get paid to solve challenges, and the bigger the challenge, the bigger the reward or result or transformation, etc. So, no matter what stage you are at in your life or business, the more effective you get at life hacks and business, the more tempting these distractions will become. But it is important to continue to focus on your main business offerings and avoid opportunities that don't align with your goals or your values. So avoid distractions and believe that your focus will reward you. Keep growing and impacting others. And if you'd like personalized strategic advice on scaling your business or marketing offers or systems or other important areas or accountability, partnerships, DM me for more information or check out my website in the description below. And I would love to help you grow to your next level impact. See you next time.